Have you ever dived down the rabbit hole of cryptocurrency? It's a fascinating world, filled with complex concepts and a whole new vocabulary to learn. From Bitcoin to altcoins, DeFi to NFTs, there's a lot to unpack. But today, we're going to focus on a specific player in this digital game, the Newton token. So, what exactly is a Newton token? Buckle up, because understanding it requires a little journey through the wonders of blockchain technology. Imagine a giant, digital ledger, completely transparent and secure, where every transaction is meticulously recorded. This is the essence of blockchain, the foundation upon which cryptocurrencies like Newton are built. Now, let's talk tokens. These are essentially digital assets that live on top of a blockchain, like Newton residing on the Ethereum blockchain. Think of them as little puzzle pieces that contribute to a larger ecosystem. But what makes Newton unique? Here's where things get interesting. Newton is the native token of the Newton Project, a complex and ambitious undertaking. The project aims to create a decentralized financial infrastructure, specifically focusing on something called structured finance. Now, that might sound intimidating, but let's break it down. Traditional finance relies heavily on intermediaries like banks and institutions. Structured finance, on the other hand, is a way of creating investment products by bundling together different types of financial assets. Think of it like a chef creating a delicious dish from various ingredients. The Newton Project wants to revolutionize this process by making structured finance decentralized. With Newton tokens, users can participate in creating and managing these investment products on the blockchain. This opens doors to a whole new level of transparency, efficiency, and potentially higher returns. But that's not all. Newton tokens also play a crucial role in the governance of the Newton Project. Holders of Newton tokens have voting rights, allowing them to influence the direction of the project's development. This creates a community-driven ecosystem where users have a say in how things are run. Now, this might sound like something only for hardcore crypto enthusiasts. But here's the thing, the Newton Project has the potential to disrupt traditional finance in a big way. By making structured finance more accessible and transparent, it could unlock new investment opportunities for everyone, not just a select few. Of course, the world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and there are always risks involved. The value of Newton tokens, like any other cryptocurrency, can fluctuate. So, it's crucial to do your own research before investing. But if you're interested in the future of finance and the potential of blockchain technology, then the Newton Project and its Newton token are definitely worth keeping an eye on. This is a project with the potential to change the game, and who knows, maybe even become the next big thing in the crypto world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency, but always remember to do your research and invest responsibly.